to be discussing how robotics influence our daily lives.
When people think of the term robotics, they may think of an animated cartoon such as Wall-E.
Although it is classified as such, robotics actually are a series of complex actions that can be automatically carried out by a machine.
Now, the real question is how STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math is incorporated into robotics.
Well, I will be happy to share with you how. Robotics use computer science, which is mainly artificial knowledge.
Also, technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. As we discussed how science affects robots, we are now able to use it to carry out processes.
However, engineering is the layout, design, and programming of the robot.
In math, formulas are used to develop the functioning of the robot. For example, these advanced math concepts are used to determine a stable system of numbers. The numbers are then used to find, for instance, the different levels of energy to operate.
Now that you are aware of the basics, we can tell you some examples of how robotics is related to everyday life.
Among these are ATMs, vending machines, robots that use technology that watch for invaders in a home security system, and the Roomba. More specifically, the Roomba is a self-operating vacuum cleaner.
Also, there are robots to wash your windows and even to mow your lawn.
Robots are also making their way into the medical field by assisting in high-precision surgeries such as heart bypasses, bladder removals, and brain surgeries.
You will see more and more of robots in the pharmaceutical field too.
For example, robots are used for testing control by food processors to check for bacterial contamination.
As far as the connection goes with Pittsburgh, the University of Pittsburgh is researching the use of the prosthetic arm, which is controlled by the individual's mind.
By planting electrode grids in the brain, neurosurgeons are able to record responses of individual neurons or populations of them.
These electrode grids are implanted in two places. One in the place where the individual is imagining using his or her hand, and the other where the individual is imagining using his or her shoulder.
Additionally, as a fun fact, Pittsburgh is the home to the Robot Hall of Fame.
Robotics is a very critical part of the green tech industry and the military also.
The green tech industry uses advanced robotics technology to support wind turbines, solar cells, and batteries for plug-in vehicles.
However, the military uses robotics for security purposes and battlefields. They are one of the largest users of robotics.
Overall, robotics is becoming a vital part of multiple occupations and even our daily lives.
Robot sales are expected to increase by $3 billion a year through 2015.
This is surely a growing industry throughout the world.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit like if you enjoyed this segment on Radical Robotics.
Bye guys, thanks.
Why was the robot angry? Because people kept pushing his buttons.
What's a robot's favorite type of music? Heavy metal.
Why did the robot go back to school?
Why?
Because the skills were getting a little too rusty.